Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Mr. Atakata Abo One, Nani Igbo niile, the only man who come out to help his people. We are not two, it's only me. I want to make you people to understand something. Who is disturbing me with message? Please, can you just stop? Let me concentrate. For what is happening now, I know many of you don't like what I'm doing. Many also like what I'm doing. You understand? Even when Jesus Christ came this world to die for us, nobody cared. Many people hate him. You understand? For his own good. He was trying to help and save our people, to save us. People still kill him for no reason. So, I am not doing this for you to like me. I'm doing it for those who need that help, because I know those that need that help, they will like me. Not for you that okay for yourself. You understand? So, I don't care. You may hate me, you may not hate me. But the most important thing is that you help those that need help. I may not have money to give you, but my advice can help you a lot. I can direct you. Oh, come on. I can direct you how to get what you want. So, concerning the document issue we are talking about, it's from someone from Ivory Coast. Fight. Call his people, everybody, both blacks, both Nigerians, Sierra Leoneans, Liberians, Guinea, Mali, people from South African, West African, Egyptians, North Africans, they join together. Fight for this document that Italy want to issue now. Many of them who fight for this document, they are okay on their own. They have their own document just as I have. They are living fine with their cars, they have houses, they are okay. But they come out, fight, which is even Nigerians can never do that, because we all are afraid. You are afraid what is going to happen if you come out to come stand for your people. Come on, it's very bad. It's very, very bad. We need to love one another. Don't think that because you have documents, others will not have. Don't think that because you have a house, you are living better, then those ones that come new, they will not have. God will still make a way for them. Remember that there is time you came new. You didn't carry documents from Africa come. You understand? So if you cannot help your people, stand for them, let them get documents and they work. That means you are a very heartless human being. So let us have that love from one another. Because this thing is coming too much. I have seen it. I know as I'm doing this, many people don't like it. I'm not getting anything from you. I'm not asking you anything, but I'm just doing it because I work in the public. I see many our people. I know how they are suffering because without document, you are nobody in Europe. Nobody will regard you. Even your people cannot even regard you. Even white people cannot even regard you. You are nothing. You understand? So please, this advice is for my people. Try to love your people. Try to show love to your people. Don't think that maybe because you are okay, you have document, you are working, then anybody you see is nothing to you. Come on. You forget, you that work, you feel that you are okay. Something may happen to you tomorrow. Those ones where you think that they are nothing will be the one to stand for you. So please, try to love one another. Try to show love to your people. It's very important. I am telling you, it's very, very important. So I don't have much to say. And I want to advise those my people who want to get this paper. They want to give this document to 600,000 people, which is, I know, maybe the people that even need paper, they're not even up to that. You know, this light is automatic. If you just do that like this, it don't come. So maybe the people who need this light, the people who need this document, they're not up to that. You understand? So let us try to also encourage our people. If you get this document, this 6 months document, don't think that maybe if you get that 6 months document, all your problems don't finish. You still have a lot to face. If you strong get this document, please, the advice where they give you, I beg. Mama, papa, brother, sister, make them wait. Boyfriend, girlfriend, let them just wait one side. Fight. Pay tax. Strong with the document so you can build it. Because I believe after that 6 months, my brother, my sister, you are not targeting another 6 months or 1 year. You are targeting 2 years, from 2 years up. I believe that. I believe that. And I assure you that. So please, try. Don't think that maybe you don't get paper. Then you will remember, say you're supposed to go France before. You're supposed to go Germany, you get boyfriend, you get girlfriend for them, you want to go and visit them. That is waiting to kill that paper for your hand. Before you know what's going to happen, the paper don't die. The paper will just go. So please, if you get this paper, strong heart, pay tax, build this paper, build this document. Many have been calling me, asking me how far, how this, how that. So I'm telling you now, as you are watching this video, I beg, share this video. Share this video to all your contact friends. Share this video anywhere they are. The one that you have in America, they may have friends who live in Italy here that not even connect to you. They can also help them. Send them this message. So please, don't keep this message only for yourself. Share this video to others. Watch it with your group. Share it anywhere, anyhow, both your WhatsApp, in your Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. Share this message. It will help a lot of people. If you grab this 6 months document, my dear, God don't start doing something good for your life. Don't play with it. I believe this document will take you far. Many don't want us to get this paper. This 6 months of 18 now. Italians, many of them, they are not happy. Many of them, they are not happy. Many of them, they are fighting not to even give this document out. The paper just be like, say, nah, big thing for them. Like if they give you that paper, they don't give you life. I beg. They are not your God. But if you get this paper, just for you not to fuck up, build this paper for yourself. Put them to shame. Put your enemy to shame. Now the truth I tell you. I beg. For those who never subscribe on my YouTube channel, I will not ask you to subscribe, because if you do not subscribe, how can you get the information from me? So please, try and do so. Subscribe. Subscribe so you can be able to be getting more information from me. Why this life dey fuck up now? So another thing I'm trying to say again concerning the border opening, Italy border, airport and other places will open on the 3rd of June, as I said it before. The whole European borders, everywhere, everybody will start going to their places where you want to go. Will open on the July 8th. Everywhere will open July 8th. You understand? For those who want to go to embassy, Nigerian embassy, something like that, on the June 8th, by God's grace, the Nigerian embassy for Rome will start working normally. So if you want to go to embassy, you can easily go. If you want to take your appointment anyhow, you can easily go there. So this is the information I get for you for now. You understand? I will be back again. For those who never follow me on my Instagram, and for those who never follow me on my page, please try. You can get me on my Instagram, Mr. Atakata Mike. You can also get me on my page, Atakata. If you want to join me on my group, Mr. MD Atakata. So join me, then you can be getting more information from me. I came for good. I need nothing from you, just for me to help you. Okay? May God bless you. Share this video, don't forget. Share this video. May God bless you. Thank you very much. May God bless you.